Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and today we have a piece of happy mail from Annette. Thank you, Annette. And a plan with me. Let's go. All right, early in the morning, let's have some coffee and happy mail. I'm sorry I haven't had a video out in the past couple of days. I've been recovering. Sunday I did nothing but stay in the bed all day long. I got up a couple of times and worked on the plumbing. I went from 3 leaks to 2 leaks to 1 leak, and was going back and forth to Lowe's trying to find the perfect part, and I believe I've solved that problem. It's been more than 24 hours, but we don't trust it quite yet, so I'm still testing it before I believe it. So yeah, we're going to run test number 753, and then we'll be done. So Annette sent this to me. It looks like it's a birthday card because, as I mentioned earlier, I guess in a video, that my birthday month is in June. Oh yeah, I did the happy birthday to me spread. And look, she sent me a happy birthday card, and I love that. Hoping all your wishes come true. Happy birthday, Leslie. Blessings, my friend, from Annette. Oh my gosh, I love Annette. She is one of my earliest followers that has always been really interactive with me, and I love her. Thank you so much, Annette. This is so sweet, and I can't wait to just display it. Let's put it... I don't know where it's going to fit right now. I'm going to put it right there. All right. That's so sweet. I love that so much. All right. Now, I have not filled in... Here was my vacation. Insert, okay. I did that so that I could remember what we did on vacation. Did not fill in much there. Apparently I was planning on cleaning and filming, but we did different things. That was my note to go to the P.O. box because I had seen where I got something from someone. So yeah, I'll do that later. Right now, I want to get us caught up on this current week, and then I'll fill this in off camera. Last week, we had Flag Day, so I kind of went with the red, white, and blue theme. This week, we're going to go with a tropical theme. I know I said I was going to do birthday stuff all week, but it just... Yeah, we don't need to do that, Les, okay? All right. Yeah, let's find, we don't know which box it's in. Got lots of boxes around with things I have not put away. This is a kit from Cassthetic Plans, or not a kit, it was a book. I don't know that it's still available. It was the first book, it might be the only book that I've purchased from her because I put myself on a no spend for planner supplies after I went nuts last summer. But when I saw this, I had to buy it because I love color. I love tropical. What is this beautifulness? Matching stickers. More stickers and points. These. I love these for like a March spread, St. Patrick's Day. That's fun. Pre-made boxes. Apparently I have all of this upside down. Waterfalls. Love the waterfalls. Love it all. This one was called, not real sure. I'm not real sure. Tropical Summer. We don't remember. Look at those. Those are cute. I really don't remember. So I think I'm going to take a page of those. A page of the birds. Are those clear? Then take a page of this in clear, and these, and see what we can make. Keeping it real simple today. I'm actually going to take my green letters, numbers from Mojo Jojo Plans. Let's see. I have some good pastels that would go with this. Yeah. Want the lime green. Alright, so I don't even know what Monday was, the 16th. I'm going to go ahead and date this, and then I'll be back. Alright, so I want to start with my functional items, and I'm even going to start with this fabulous sticker right here. We're going to put this on the weekend. Okay. Then I'll put this cluster oh wow, I've cut it. Okay, well that's nice. Trying to be a little bit too much today. I need to just put that thing down. Put that there. Then I feel like that would be too much now. Let's just put some birdies around, because the birdies are cute. And then we'll put some more decoratives. I mean, functional. Not thinking about it, just placing them. Put that one there. one there. And I'm going to take a lime green. Crooked peach. Then we will take a peach. And a blue. And then place that there. Place that there. That there. And that there. And we'll come in with some florals. Where do the florals go? I do not know. Of course, my battery died. Put flowers there, and I really think that I'm done. All right, so that was quick. You know, we could do the dots, couldn't we? Let's do that. Let's add some of those. Let's add blue here. These are itty bitty dots. So we're going to need some tweezers. And we're going to put one here. One here. One here. And then I'll put one here. Jungle. What was this? Jungle vibes. Something jungle. Cassthetic plans jungle. Just try that. Google. Or just go to her website and see if she still has these. But she makes the most beautiful books, and I want them all. But I'm not allowed to. Look tomorrow for a haul, which will include a couple new sticker books. What? Why did you do that, Leslie? Because I have a problem, Okay, I need to cut this off. My scissors are not here. Let me grab those. Never mind, they're right here. Right where I put them. Okay. Let's put it on the discs, and see what we have. All right, there you go. I love it. I hope you liked it too. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't, please hit subscribe. I love gaining new friends. And until the next one, I'll see you then. Bye, everyone.